pranic foods and Ekadashi dinner, snacks and sweets, juices, tea and natural foods. Learn a lot more yogic recipes from Sadhguru only on A Taste of Well-Being. Taste the Isha Yogic food at your home. Namaskaram to all. Welcome to a special festive season food recipe. Today we will cook a healthy recipe, amaranth fry. Rich in protein, rich in calcium, boosts immunity and high in fiber. Let's prepare. Ingredients: bunch of amaranth leaves, washed, drained, finely chopped into ribbons. Cooking oil, mustard seeds, split black gram, skinless, cumin seeds, red chillies, sambar powder, coconut pieces, fresh grated, curry leaves and salt to taste. Method: heat the oil in a broad pan. Add the mustard seeds and as they begin to splutter, add the black gram, cumin seeds and red chillies. Add the sambar powder and amaranth leaves. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Cover the pan and cook on medium-low flame. Open the lid after 2 minutes and add salt. Stir well and cook, covered, stirring occasionally. Once cooked, add the coconut along the curry leaves. Mix it well. Remove the heat. Serve garnished with roasted groundnuts or almond silvers if desired. And the healthy and tasty amaranth fry is ready. Additions: amaranth can be substituted by any green leafy vegetable. This can also be made with the addition of cooked skinless split gram. Simply add the gram in step 3 along with the amaranth leaves. Enjoy Sadhguru's yogic food recipes and more only on A Taste of Well-Being. The true joy of eating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more latest yogic food recipes